Welcome to EduSys, the all-in-one educational institute software solution designed to transform how schools, colleges, and universities manage their operations. Preschool ERP, School ERP, Academy ERP, College ERP, University ERP. With over 980,000 students, 11 plus countries, and 900 plus clients, EduSys is trusted worldwide.
Hello everyone. Today let us discuss Student Portal for a school by EduSys. Before we start the video, I would like to inform that the modules and features available to you will depend upon the access permission granted by your respected institution and will be visible only after you log into your account. Please do not get confused by the video demonstration as it showcases all the features and modules submitted or supported by the EduSys ERP system, including those that may not be enabled for your institution. If you wish to explore or gain access to any feature that is currently not available in your login, we kindly request you to contact your institution directly. Let us explore the features. Home, dashboards. Upon login, you will land on your personalized dashboard. Here, you will see a snap of your academic performance, upcoming assignments, upcoming events, any important updates. Access visual rich interactive dashboards that consolidate important information about your grades, attendance, assignments, many more by pictorial representation. Calendar. Keep track of key school events like exams, cultural fairs, holidays, or important notes that color coded and reachable calendar will help you stay organized. Day to day activity, achievements. View records of awards, recognition, and certificates you have earned in academic, sports, or co curriculum activities. Each achievement is detailed with date, location, and supported document. Behavior. Monitor your behavior rating from teachers and administrator. Get insights into how you have doing in school based on the feedback every month. Disciplinary. If you have any disciplinary issues, this session will display the complete details including the action taken and any consequences. Assign task. See all the homework, tasks, or responsibilities assigned to you, view their due dates, submit status, and any updates. Student profile, family details. Your profile includes personal and academic details like your name, date of birth, course info, photo, emergency contact. Make sure all details are correct. Medical info. View your medical history, including your vaccination details or any doctor visit records during admission. Leave summary. Check your leave request and their approval rejection status so you have already known my referral. This section includes internal and external referrals such as recommendations or special requests submitted by the school management. Food and notification settings. Food enrollment. Manage your school meal plan by selecting food options like milk, coffee, tea, etc. You can track food related transparency and see if you have eligible for discounts. Parent notifications. Choose how you would like to receive notifications from the school: SMS, email, phone number, or app notification. Customize this based on your preferences. Communication and feedback. Raise complaint. Have any issue or concerns, report it directly to the school management through the portal and track the status of your complaint. Branch rating. Rate your teachers and your school branch based on the different performance criteria you have. Leave comments or submit additional documents if needed. Fee and accounts management. Fee details. View your tuition and activity fee along with any scholarship or discounts that apply. Make payments directly through the platform, either fully or partially. Wallet history. Track your wallet transaction related to food, fee, or any other services and manage your fund accordingly. Academic grades. Exam Date sheet. Check the schedule for upcoming exams, including subjects, time slots, and venue details. You can filter by term or subject for easier access. Exam grade, re examination enrollment. View your exam result, both regular and re exam. If you need to retrack any exam, you can easily enroll and make the payments. Academic performance. Check your performance in all subjects, including details like test name, dates, subjects, and grades. You can also download your report card. Report card history. Access all your past report cards, including grades, overall performance, and statistics. LMS. Learning plan. See the day-to-day learning plan tutorial to your curriculum so you know actually what you are expected to study each day. Shared documents. Access study material, notes, and documents shared by your teacher or school admin. Classroom assignments. View all your assigned homework, check submit status, and review feedback once graded. Dormitory. View your room details, including building, floor, and room number. Know your assigned bed and other relevant information. Dormitory timetable. Track hostel activity like study hours, meal timing, and the light out schedule so you have already in the loop. Visitor records. See who have visited you in the dormitory with the complete log or approval visitors. Outpass history. Monitor your outpass request including approvals or rejection status and enter re-enter timestamp. Transportation. Live tracking. Track your school transportation route live through Google Maps. You can see your pickups and drop points along with the real time updates. Transportation details. Access information about your transportation route, including pickup, drop location, timing, vehicle details, and landmarks for easy navigation. The EduSys transportation details are incredible, helpful, providing clear information on pickup, drop location, timing, and vehicle details. This makes navigation such easier and ensures safety by the EduSys. Library. Search the library criteria to find available books using various filters such as title, language, author, and publisher. Transportation. Library transaction. Check all your library transactions, including issues, books, due dates, fines, or monthly activity records. Certificates. View, download, and store any certificates you have received, whether it's for participation, merit, or achievement. Scholarship info. If you have received a scholarship, check the type, amount, and applicable fee component covering by the scholarship.
Thank you. Unlock the potential of your institution with EduSys. Visit our website to start a free trial or reach out to schedule a personalized demo.